According to the often used quotes, a handyman is only as good as his tools. Without having the right tools in his arsenal, he will surely have to mess around the job site. So in this video, we will show you the 5 coolest tools that every handyman should have. It's very common for construction applications to mess you up with difficulties. And if you're involved with flooring tasks, things might get more complicated. This is why the Freeman PFL 618BR comes in handy and gets all the job done without any pain. It has a multi-purpose design that lets you tackle both nailing and stapling. The best thing about the 3-in-1 tool is you no longer have to take the hassle of frequent magazine changing. No wonder the high-strength aluminum body, anodized aluminum magazine, and heat-treated steel parts make this pneumatic tool highly durable. The combination of a long-reach fiberglass mallet, padded grip, and a blow-molded case reduces fatigue and ensures ease of operation during long shifts. But without damaging your walls? Here's the Goldblatt's molding remover that comes with a larger, flatter, and wider contact area than clumsy traditional tools. It also features an included wedged center to provide superior removal efficiency from job to job. Maybe you're waiting for the coolest part. Well, it has a unique, built-in spring design that allows you to separate trims from walls in the quickest way possible. However, the durable pry bar is constructed of quality material and built to last for years. On the other hand, the ergonomic rubber grip handle keeps you far away from fatigue and strain. If you're dealing with multiple projects like commercial work, repair, and remodelings, Goldblatt's molding remover will be a great way to pull out trims. Instead of using all those heavy screwdrivers, a handyman will surely gonna love having this. This is the DEWALT DCF 601. A subcompact screwdriver with a sleek look and lightweight design that equips an efficient motor to offer 25% extra power. The 12-volt battery never lets you down with substantial runtime. Most importantly, it features 15 clutch settings, so you can choose the specific speed for a variety of fastening and drilling applications. And the 1/4-inch quick-release drop-and-load hex perfectly adopt 1-inch bits tips. Oh! Let's not forget the 3 integrated LEDs on the nose. You'll get proper illumination for dim spaces. Who says circular saws are tough to drive? Maybe you hadn't seen this Bosch GKS18V57 before. It's a completely cordless saw with superb ergonomics and a light appearance. Despite having a smaller size, it delivers satisfying cutting power for the handyman. It means you can make fast and accurate cuts on the work material. Even applications of roofs and scaffoldings become a lot easier with this handy saw. You can set the pivot point directly on the workpiece surface and get absolute control over both the left and right sides. The GKS18V57 easily slices through wood planks between 42 and 57 mm. Plus, the onboard LED light and intelligent braking system offer needed illumination and safety on the job. No matter how experienced you are in the field, using a glue tube and applying by finger press isn't a wise choice at all. With that in mind, you should go with this WORX WX045. It is a 20-volt hot glue gun with a micro-ergonomic design, which lets you get optimum control for precise operation. You can use this gun with the WORX system of portable crafting tools. Oh! There's a LED temp indicator that informs you whenever the gun is ready to fire. On top of that, it heats up pretty quickly and gets ready in mere time for the action. Worried about the accurate glue placement? Not a problem, the narrow focus nozzle will handle it. Cherry on top. The WORX WX045 comes with a 4 feet long flexible cord attachment, meaning you'll get enough maneuverability for uninterrupted movement when around the worksite. And this concludes our list of the 5 coolest tools that every handyman should have. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.